This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Gateway Subaru.
Sometimes the smallest gestures can have the biggest impact. For people facing some of life's toughest challenges, a little extra comfort can go a long way.
And one local partnership on the Eastern Shore is helping to bring warmth, encouragement, and hope to cancer patients when they need it most. And as DelmarvaLife's James McDonald discovered, their simple act of kindness is making a difference for families and their loved ones in our area.
Stacks of blankets filled the lobby at TidalHealth as Gateway Subaru dropped off more than 150 blankets for patients undergoing treatment. The donation is part of Subaru's nationwide Subaru Loves to Care initiative, which partners with local hospitals to support cancer patients during some of their most difficult days.
Today, we're donating blankets to blood cancer patients down here at Peninsula TidalHealth. Subaru Loves to Care is the operation. We do this every year. It's something very near and dear, I think, to most of us, as someone in your family or someone that you know has been affected by cancer at some point in their life.
Each blanket is packaged with a handwritten note of encouragement. Don Scullin, sales manager at Gateway Subaru, says it's a personal touch that can mean just as much as the gift itself.
Battling cancer is nothing that's to be, it's hard, obviously. It's hard for everyone. It's hard for the victim. It's hard for the people going through it. So we just like to offer some encouragement with those notes.
For a patient spending hours receiving treatment, something as simple as a warm blanket can provide comfort during an uncertain time.
When a patient comes in, oftentimes they're not sure how the treatment's going to go. And so when they have a blanket, it's just a little bit more comfort than before. And it's especially something they could take home with them and take that comfort home with them. It's really nice.
Kathy Stafford, outreach manager at TidalHealth Cancer Services, says the donation arrives at a time when comfort items are always in demand.
It was a relief because they've been a consistent help to us over the last several years that I've been here, and I just feel like it's nice to know that we have something in our closet to give to someone in case they're cold.
And while the blankets provide physical warmth, Kathy says those handwritten messages offer something much deeper.
Each patient goes through their own journey, and to have a handwritten note from somebody who they may not know just gives them that little bit more feeling of comfort and understanding, probably a bit of inspiration to keep going.
And while the donation is part of a national effort, Gateway Subaru says keeping those resources local makes the gesture even more meaningful.
We love local charities. We love doing things locally. It's always good to give back to local community charities versus national charities because we know exactly where it's going.
Don says the dealership often hears from grateful patients after the blankets are given out. Those small gestures often leave a lasting impact.
We do hear from them. I get people call, usually right after we do this. I'll get a couple phone calls thanking us for our donation. A lot of times they're anonymous, which is totally fine, but we do hear back from the community about it.
For cancer patients, the road ahead can be filled with challenges, but moments like this remind them they're not walking that road alone.
We talk about survivorship a lot, and survivorship starts the moment they're diagnosed because they have to make the decision to survive from that moment.
Thanks to the partnership between Gateway Subaru and TidalHealth, it's a reminder that even in life's toughest battles, compassion has the power to bring comfort, hope, and the strength to keep moving forward.
And Don tells us that in addition to TidalHealth, Gateway Subaru works with a variety of other local organizations, including the Chesapeake Bay Foundation, the Humane Society of Wycomico County, and the Believe in Tomorrow Children's Foundation.
It really doesn't take much to provide comfort,
No.
but it makes such a difference.
Absolutely.
It's great that they're doing that part of the community.